Sprinkle this on your couch and carpet, and you'll never pay for cleaning again. The unpleasant smell of mustiness and dirt will disappear. This trick works like magic and costs nothing. Grab a small bowl and add 2½ tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural stain remover, neutralizes odors, and absorbs moisture. Add ½ tablespoon of table salt. It helps lift dirt and has a gentle abrasive effect that tackles grime. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. It not only freshens the space but also brings a lovely atmosphere to your home. Mix everything thoroughly. Using a sieve, sprinkle the powder mixture evenly over the carpet. Let it sit for 20 minutes. That's when the magic happens. Do the same on the couch, covering every area. But don't stop there. After 20 minutes, vacuum the carpet and couch to remove residue, bacteria, and household allergens. Finish by wiping with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove any remaining powder. Your furniture and carpets will be cleaner than ever. Clean, fresh, and all natural. Put bubble wrap on the mop and forget about a dirty floor. I discovered this trick by accident. I'll tell you why you should try it too. Usually, when you mop the floor, all the pressure goes in one direction. Dirt and dust only gather on the edge of the mop. Bubble wrap slides smoothly over the floor. It makes the dust and dirt collect across the entire surface. But that's not all. Now take a paper towel and tear off larger pieces. Fit them to the size of the mop. The paper should be placed under the bubble wrap. It will absorb the water and dirt. Fold the paper so it wraps around the center of the mop. Secure everything with rubber bands. 2 will be enough to keep it all in place. Now mop the floor as usual. You'll notice the difference immediately. This hack works great for cleaning walls and ceilings too. It doesn't leave streaks or smudges. The floor shines and all the dust ends up where it belongs. Try it once, and you'll never go back to the old way. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. Do it with your vacuum cleaner, and cleaning will become even more effective. You definitely have this popular spice in your kitchen. Sprinkle a small amount on the floor, or if you don't want to put it directly on the surface, place it on a plate instead. Then vacuum it up. As you clean, all the dust, dirt, pet hair, and microbes get collected in the vacuum bag or bin. Over time, unpleasant odors can build up inside your vacuum. That's where this spice comes in, cinnamon. Cinnamon acts as a natural deodorizer. It absorbs bad smells while releasing a warm, pleasant scent that spreads throughout your home. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. By adding cinnamon to your vacuuming routine, you can prevent nasty odors and enjoy long-lasting freshness. It's a great way to boost hygiene and make every vacuuming session both effective and aromatic. The floor will smell wonderful and help protect your home from insects. You just need to make a natural floor cleaner. It's quick to prepare and completely chemical-free. Thanks to its ingredients, your floor will not only shine, but also be disinfected. Prepare a bucket with a mop. Grab a handful of lavender. Use fresh lavender heads if you have some in your garden or home, or use dried lavender. Lavender adds a pleasant scent that repels insects like flies, ants, gnats, and mosquitoes. Pour 2 cups of warm water into a container. Then add half a cup of vinegar, a natural cleaner and disinfectant that kills mold spores and polishes wooden surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove tougher dirt. Toss the lavender into the mixture. Stir everything well, then strain it through a fine sieve to remove flour bits. Pour the ready cleaner into the bucket with water. Dip your mop in and start cleaning while enjoying the fresh scent of lavender. This cleaner is eco-friendly and safe for the environment. If you use this recipe regularly, your home will stay fresh and insect-free. Vacuum cleaner attachments matter. Each one saves time during cleaning. You're probably using just one all the time, and that's a big mistake. Switching attachments will make your vacuuming faster. The most popular and standard attachment is for carpets, and we usually use it for the whole house. But that's wrong. Let me show you how and which attachment to use exactly. Use the small T-shaped vacuum attachment for cleaning floors, but also for chair and sofa upholstery. Dust and pet hair collect on sofa surfaces, bringing in dust mites and allergens, so it's worth cleaning them with the flat nozzle. The round brush attachment is perfect for cleaning lampshades, wicker baskets, artificial flowers, and other plastic items. Its soft bristles gently remove dust and dirt. We often forget to clean inside cabinets, dressers, and shelves. It's easy to clean them using the crevice tool, which effortlessly removes dust and dirt from your closet's nooks and crannies. This attachment is also great for vacuuming radiators, drawers, and bookshelves. The universal dusting brush is ideal for cleaning curtains and drapes. It's very simple and doesn't require taking them down from the rod. Vacuum the curtains from top to bottom, and the natural bristles of the brush will clean them perfectly. Remember to clean your curtains once a month to prevent the buildup of dust and allergens. Regular vacuuming will make your home sparkle in no time. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about half cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before. Put a trash bag inside your pillowcase and you won't regret it. Next time you change your bedding, try this trick. I've been using it regularly and it works wonders. All you need is a clean, large trash bag, big enough to fit your pillow. First, check the size by placing the bag over the pillow. Once you're sure it fits, put the pillow inside the bag. Make sure the entire pillow is covered. Take a vacuum cleaner and insert the hose into the bag like I did. Turn on the vacuum and hold the bag tightly. In seconds, the air will be sucked out and the pillow will shrink. Remove the vacuum hose and keep the bag sealed. Now your pillow is perfectly compressed. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Get your pillowcase ready and start sliding the bag with the pillow inside. Place the bag from the sealed end into the pillowcase. Once the pillow is fully inside, pull the bag out, leaving the pillow in the case. This trick makes it easy to fit even a large pillow into a small pillowcase without any stress or frustration.